I'm Liz with Dharmatrading, and I'm going to show you how to make a spider tie-dye. Start with your damp t-shirt that has been pre-soaked in a soda ash solution. Lay the t-shirt flat, use a ruler to fold the shirt in half lengthwise. Pinch the t-shirt in the center and twist clockwise. Try to keep all the folds at the same height for the best result. Continue twisting until it resembles the shape of a cinnamon roll. Carefully slide the rubber bands on with just enough tension to hold the shape. I used a total of 4 rubber bands, but feel free to add more if needed. You can position them to be the lines of your pie slices where you'll be applying each color. The bottom side of the shirt will have a flatter side, and this will be the side of the spider design. The 4 colors I am using are turquoise, lemon yellow, fuchsia, and raven. Start with raven and apply a light, even layer to cover the entire bottom side. Be sure to move quickly and not to oversaturate. Gently flip the t-shirt over and begin applying yellow. Start by creating 2 mirrored pie slice sections of yellow, then add fuchsia. Allow the colors to overlap to create an orange. If you prefer avoiding any white in your design, this is the point where you can apply the dye more generously. For smoother color transitions, I recommend adding a second overlapping application of lighter colors. Next, apply the turquoise overlapping with the fuchsia to create purple, and then yellow to make green. Since turquoise is a strong color, be sure to use the fuchsia and yellow to finish the color blending. Once the dye is applied, cover the t-shirt in plastic to keep it moist. Allow it to batch for 24 hours for the best results. After 24 hours, rinse under cold running water to stop the dye reaction. Next, rinse in warm water while you untie the folds. Keep rinsing until the water runs fairly clear. Then, wash your shirt in the washing machine with hot water and dyer's detergent. I'm Liz with Dharmatrading, and this has been your spider tie-dye tutorial.